you are making use of the Documents module for CRM Vertex, you can allow downloading of documents by your portal users. To manage documents, log into Microsoft Dynamics CRM and go to Settings, CRM Vertex, Portal Documents. To add a new portal document, click the New button. There are three ways you can publish documents to your portal. Public documents, those documents which are available to all authenticated portal users. Company documents, those documents which are available to all authenticated portal users who are associated to a specific account. And contact documents, those documents which are available to the authenticated portal user who the document has been specifically shared with. To create a public document, simply leave the account and contact lookups blank when creating the new portal document. To create a company document, fill in the account lookup, and to create a contact document, fill in the contact lookup. Give your documents a name and click the Save button. Once your document is saved, upload a new document attachment to this record, and that document will be available to the appropriate users on the portal. To update an existing document, double-click the item from the list of active portal documents. Update the appropriate fields and close the record. This will auto-save the record. This change will be reflected immediately on the portal. To remove an existing portal document, highlight the items you want to remove and click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion, and the changes will be reflected immediately on the portal.